Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to revise how to make notes. Right? In our syllabus, we have note making as reading section question, a subjective question where you have to read a passage of 400 words or 450 words, and you need to make notes out of that. Right? And this question will be of 8 marks. Okay, 4 marks for note making and 4 marks for summarization. This question will have two parts. This is a subjective question. Reading section questions, passage number 1 and passage number 2 will be objective. But this third passage in the subjective part, that is part B. If you know your question paper will have part A and part B. Part A, multiple choice questions, and part B, subjective questions. Right? Kindly go through the syllabus. It is already there for term 2 on our website. Right? And also there are many chapters which were deleted by the boards. Every child knows that the syllabus was 30% syllabus was deleted, which has already been taken care while maintaining the syllabus for term 1, term 2, right? The next thing that I would like to share with you, let's resume to this note making part and formatting of the note, right? You are provided a passage in the examination, for example, on yoga. The passage that you see in the question paper or any note making exercise that you are doing, suppose you have a passage and you are asked to make notes. So there will be two parts. Make notes on the basis of the given passage and write the summary of the above passage. So summary writing, summarization. Right? Two parts. And the entire question of note making is of 8 marks. How you are going to make your notes? Once when you have read the passage, the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to write the title of the passage. So the first thing is the title. The title has marks, it bears marks. Out of 4 marks, 1 mark is for title. Coming to note making, right? Create main points from your passage. What do I mean by this is you need to divide your passage into 4 to 5 main points. Suppose the passage is talking in the first part, first 2 paragraphs or the first paragraph about significance of yoga. So your first point will become significance of yoga. Right? The second passage, it is talking about more of health benefits in detail. So your second main point will be my notes I am dividing into 4 main points. Right? My first was significance as per the passage. Right? All these exercises have been done. Then health benefits. Okay, right? And the passage is talking of mental health and influence or impact on students, right? Of yoga and meditation, and right? Then the last part of the passage is talking of conclusion of that entire passage. So you can also give your main point conclusion. If it is suggesting some practical ways how to enhance yoga skills, you can write your 4 main point as enhancement of yoga skills or enhancing yoga practices, right? Or conclusion. So when I have written these 4 points, or when I have I'm on the first point, now you write 3 to 4 sub points of each main point, right? So this way we create 3 to 4 main points of the passage, what the passage is talking about, then some sub points. Now pay attention. When you have understood the passage after reading, you have got the title of the passage, you have got the first main point, and you have written 3 sub points what is being described. Now, how you are going to describe these sub-points? These sub-points will be in phrases, not complete long sentences. Right? You don't have to define in main three, four lines those sub-points. Clear? Right? Then, when I come to the second main point, I will write 3 to 4 points what my passage is talking in the middle part somewhere. Because if my passage has, you can say, 5, 6 paragraphs, that doesn't mean that I will make 1 point on each paragraph and then give three points on that. Are you getting my point? If I make a review of my note making, suppose this is my review, so the title, right? Then your first point, then sub-points of that. Phrasal, short sentences with symbols, with marks, okay, with numbers. However, I can shorten with abbreviations. I'll elaborate this point more. Then I've taken my second point. How will I number these? I can number these as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, or A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3 in Roman numerals, right? So this way, then I have written my second point. I found that this passage is also talking of health benefits. So I dig out 3, 4 points related to that part. So 2.1, 2.2, I find only 2 points are there, no problem, I agree. But my 2.2 point had sub-point. Say for examples. So I made my 2.2 as A, B, and I made my notes, phrasal. Right? So if you find some points, you can mention. Now, when I am coming to point number 3 or 4, dear students, when I am coming to point number 3 and 4, similar thing, I will dive out, I will dig out, or I will search what I have read and how it can be framed into few points. And 4 points are sufficient for your note taking. In books, you will find 3 main points, and their sub points, you will find 4, and their sub points, right? After this, when you have done your note making part, after this, what you are going to do is you are going to make key to abbreviations. Let me explain this part. The first thing was title, second thing was notes, and the third is key to abbreviations, right? What is this key to abbreviations? Let me explain you this part. Then you were making your main points and their sub-points, right? Then you have created, say for example, as I took of yoga, you've written health benefits, stress-free life, real life education. My second point in my health benefits was real life education. So I wrote real life. I'm not writing complete sentences. It gives, it enhances, or it imbibes us with a lot of education. No. Real life education, my point was sub-point. But I wrote education as abbreviated. So when I made notes, I will use some abbreviated forms. And these abbreviations and short forms I will unveil in my key. And how many you will use? 5 to 6, not more than that. Some are standard abbreviations, say for USA, Doctor, Mr. Some are created like education. In my notes, I use the word educational, and I wrote in my notes like this, education. So when I make real life educational experience, right? Real life experience. So when I wrote educational in my notes, I will uncover this, what I meant by EVN. So when I create a key, after making notes, I will write this key and give a heading to my 2-3 line of key to abbreviation, right? Then I write that I wrote, so So education, right? Then suppose I had used the word profession or professional. So I'll uncover it, unveil it, that what did I mean, right? Professional. So I'll open it. Then I have used this sign. So I will signs and symbols have a special role in note making. If you have written somewhere increasing like this, so you will write increasing. Suppose you have written negative effects. You have not written any GAVIV, but you have written in your notes in the subpoints negative effects of not doing yoga or whatever the passages. I am not particularly because we are not just sharing example. So write negative. That you meant by this negative, right? So use of symbols, abbreviations, and don't be overexcited about abbreviations that you are using 10 to 15. No, 5 to 6 abbreviations in our note making are sufficient. We have done this topic in the through the videos in the last month or last to last month. You can revise it. We did revision also of this topic, and this is the formatting part of. Now, what shall I remember to write a note and note making or notes as a student? Title. Reading the passage thoroughly with concentration. At most, concentration will make you understand it in less time. If you're concentrated, your reading will finish easily and nicely. The second thing, you will write a title on the top. Like answer number 8, 9, whatever, and then you write for the number 3, 4, and then you write the title of the passage by giving the heading note making, right? Then title, then you create these 3 to 4 points, main points. And one more point which you need to remember is do not use abbreviations in the main points. We will use abbreviations in the sub points because in books you may find, or in I don't know in any sample you may find, but this is not to be done. Main points, even main points can be written capital. Yoga, a way to life. Suppose the passage is on terrorism. What is terrorism? Terrorism. And you wrote what it is in 3 subpoints. Effects of terrorism on common man's life. How can be curbed? The third main point. And 3 subpoints, how can be curbed? Right? Role of government in, and even a point is there, suppose proliferation of weaponry and weapons. Right? So you write 3 subpoints, and subpoints, again I'm repeating, should be phrasal. No complete long sentences. Main points be very clear. Subpoints in short, 3 to 4, so 4 to 5 main points, 4 is sufficient. Then there are 3 to 4 subpoints. If you find subpoints, you can put, after making notes, you need to write that key to abbreviation. Whatever words you have used in short form. Say if you have used some standard one also, USA. Everyone knows what is USA. Still you can include use as many abbreviations, as many means. I said not to be very excited, but some you need to use. So, some standard, some created, right? Use these symbols that we avoid in writing literature answers. We say don't write this type of ads, commercial and it. But in note making, you use this because they are notes for us to understand. Clear? The B part of this note making question is summarizing the passage. Write down the word limit when you will summarize the passage. Part B, summarizing. Right? Part B of note making will be summarization. And this summarization must be in 80 words. Writing a summary in 80 words of the given passage. Right? So this way, dear students, we, do, or we have revised the note making topic. Any queries if you have, you can ask. Okay. I hope this note making revision, the formatting will help you out. Kindly go through the videos that have been made on this topic and taught in the class in the previous sessions. Thank you. God bless you all.